Let's talk about this machine today. Introduction on accessories. First of all, these two are the standard handles of the machine. One is that we use to remove tattoos, picosecond handle for eyebrow washing, and the soprano handles for hair removal and skin rejuvenation. On soprano handle, it does an LCD screen, a touch screen, display and control buttons with handles. There's also a stretched design. Then this handle. This is the assembly on the bracket. We will teach the customer how to install it later. Then the blindfold, wearing biclinations. Operator worn glasses with water funnel. Foot control switch. This is mainly to control the output of the picosecond handle. Then the key switch of the machine. Here is the picosecond probe. There are 5 here. The first is to remove melanin. For example, whitening. Whitening operation with toner. And there's pore shrinkage. We can use this 132 probe. Then non-invasively there are 2. Here are 532 and 1064. And this head here. Both wavelengths can be used. Let's talk about it here. The function of the 2 wavelengths 532 and 1064. 1064, the main thing is to remove melanin. It's about getting tattoos and black colors, including some dark blue colors. It can also be operated with 1064 heads. If it is 532, we just operate brown and red. For example, the operation on some spots. So that's what these 5 heads do. Non-invasive is, as the name suggests. It means literally, it works on the skin. The wand will be smaller relative to these 2 heads. The energy will not be as high as these 2. If the tattoo pigment on the customer's body is darker, I still recommend that he use a creative one. It can also be used without trauma, but there may be more courses of treatment. Okay, so now we're going to start assembling the stand on the device. First way. Before assembling the instrument, put our bracket here first. We can just stuff it in. Okay, this is the bracket for the picosecond handle. The other side. Here's a bracket for the soprano handle. This position is fixed by 4 screws. If the customer receives the goods, if this position is not assembled, he can also use a cross screwdriver, fix with these 4 screws. After fixing this base, let's fix the above one again. The above fix is directional. This position is facing the front. It's easier to hold the handle. It's like putting the handle on it like this. Okay, let's lower it in this direction. It's time to put it down. These 2 holes must be parallel to it, so that the screws can be screwed. So let's find the position before screwing the screws. Let's roughly fix it first. This is convenient for us to screw. Okay, that's it. The machine screen can be broken up and down. Adjust the angle. And then there's the back of it. Later, we will fill the instrument with water first. Once it is filled with water, we turn it on. First, we need to make a connection for the handle. There are HR and yank here. Let's install this first. We can pack it according to the label. Be sure to find a good hole when installing. These two holes should be inserted into these two holes. These two holes here are mainly the function of the water cycle. After inserting it, its up and down buttons pop up. We can hear a click. It locks after bouncing. The other handle installation is the same. After it is installed, if the later customer needs to take it off, we will press and hold the buttons on the upper and lower sides. Press and hold at the same time, then pull straight out. You can shake it with more force. Pull it out. This is one way to dismantle. After we install the handle, put it on the stand. This is how the picot second handle is placed. This is how the soprano handle is placed. Next, we're going to add water. By the way, I forgot to mention, before our customer receives the goods, he has two rubber plugs in these two positions. These two rubber plugs, when adding water and connecting the handle, the customer wants to take it down, like this black rubber plug. He'll have a rubber plug in this position. Take it off then. Keep it safe after removing the rubber plug, including the one we added water hose for. Take it off and keep it safe. We'll add water next. Just add purified water or distilled water. First, the water hole needs to be connected to the funnel. Second, the overflow should be opened during the water addition process. We also need to prepare a container for water. Open a circle of holes. Install the funnel. Remember that the funnel is installed in the water pipe. We started adding purified water. Let's keep an eye out for the spill. When the overflow continues to come out of the water, it means that the water tank is full. Our instrument is currently filled with water. Fill up the water in advance, so the water will come out faster from this overflow. If the customer goes to add water, it will take about a few minutes to fill up. When full of water, after we take off the watering hole funnel, screw back the lid of the overflow hole. At this time, the instrument is full of water. It's ready to turn on. Our later stage is about 1 to 2 months. Replace the water in the tank. We can open this drain hole. After unscrewing here, put a basin below to fill with water. The water from the tank will naturally flow out of this hole. In this way, the water inside the tank can be replaced. Prevent the water in the water tank from deteriorating after being left for a long time. Next, we're going to connect this full switch. It has two cars. There is a groove position on it. You can see this position clearly. This position is facing up. Okay. Just tighten it.